All right, so absolute value is what we're talking about in lesson 11. Absolute value is the distance from 0 on the number line. And that tells you the definition on question number 8. It tells you the absolute value is the distance, or if you count from 0 to a number on the number line, that's its absolute value. And it does not matter if you go left and count or you go right and count. So it doesn't matter if it's negative or if it's positive. The absolute value is literally just counting how many steps it takes to get from 0 to that number on the number line. Okay, so the absolute value symbol are these two straight brackets. It kind of looks like parentheses, but it's just two straight lines and the numbers inside. So this would mean the absolute value of 5. So if I looked at 5 on the number line, how many steps would I take to get back to 0? I would take 5 steps. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. All right, let me do another one. Absolute value of -3. If I was at -3, how many steps would I take to get back to 0? 3. And that's absolute value. Just how many steps, or what is the distance from that number back to 0. And it doesn't matter if you go left or right, so there's no negative value. That's the one thing just to get in your head. There's no negative value when you're talking about absolute value. It's always going to be positive because you're counting the steps. And really there's no way to do negative steps unless you go back in time. Like if you travel back in time, which isn't possible at the moment. So,
Yeah, but at the moment.
at the moment, I don't know. You think we'll ever be able to travel back in time?
Scientists did the math and it.
I don't think it's possible to travel back in time, but, you know, I won't say it's impossible because we never know. But, so, if you travel left or if you travel right, you're still traveling. So the absolute value is just the number of steps on the number line.